Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 effective ways to deal with those pesky blanks in your Power BI reports. If you've ever created a dashboard and found yourself staring at empty spaces where you expected a number, especially on cards or visuals, I'm going to help you fix that. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to replace blanks with zeros, tidy up your visuals, and make your reports much easier to read, all with or without DAX. Let's dive right in and I'll walk you through a common scenario. You have a measure, let's say sales amount, and for certain dates there's just no value. Maybe sales weren't recorded, or maybe your data has a gap. Power BI, being very literal, simply shows a blank, which can look odd in your report or confuse your viewers. For example, if you're using a card visual to display total sales for a date with no transactions, that card just sits there empty. Not ideal, right? Blank spaces in reports are like silent movies. You know something's supposed to be happening, but you're not seeing the information you need. Try this out for yourself. Move your date filter or adjust your slicer so you land on a date where there was no recorded sales amount. Watch closely the card visual updates and boom, you see nothing. Just the word blank. This isn't very helpful and it might make your viewers wonder if something broke. Instead, we want Power BI to display a 0 for those missing values, and I'll show you just how to do that. Here, what to do first: make sure you're working with the updated card visual. It's called Card New in Power BI. So head over to your visualization pane, and if you haven't already, swap your old card visual for the new one. Select your sales measure and you'll see that new card new visual populate on your canvas. Now, sometimes these changes take a second to load, especially if your report has a lot of data, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. With your card new selected, look over to the Format panel on the right side of your screen. Expand the section called Values, and then dive into the settings for Callout Value. This is where the magic happens. Within these options, there's a small but mighty setting near the bottom called Show Blank As. By default, Power BI will show a blank on your card for any missing value. But right here, you can swap out that blank for something much more informative, a 0. Just click on the dropdown, change it from blank to 0, and instantly your card will display 0 whenever the value is missing. It's like turning on the lights in a dimly lit room. Suddenly everything is clear and easy to read. Why does this matter? Well, showing zeros instead of blanks isn't just a cosmetic fix. It helps people viewing your report understand at a glance that no sales occurred for that period, rather than thinking your report isn't working. It adds clarity, and honestly, it makes your finished product look more polished and professional. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've now fixed those blank spaces and made your Power BI report look so much better. If you ever want to go further and use DAX for even more control, there are ways to do that too, but this simple method with the card new visual often solves the most common issue. I hope this made your reporting workflow a little easier. Don't forget to hit like, and if you still have questions or run into any trouble with blanks in your visuals, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. There are plenty more step-by-step Power BI tutorials coming up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.